Bentley is celebrating 75 years of manufacturing at its Crewe plant in England. Even though Bentley was officially recognized as a company almost 102 years ago, way back in 1919, its Crewe plant came into existence only in 1946. Bentley's Mark VI was the first car to be completely manufactured at the Crewe plant. Besides the luxurious interior, the Bentley Mark VI was offered with a pressed steel body shell, a rarity during that period which was made possible thanks to the Crewe plant. Before 1938, the place where the Crewe plant stood was home to thousands of potatoes as the land was used for farming duties. It was only post 1938 that the Crewe plant was constructed for the manufacturing of Merlin aircraft engines. This decision to manufacture the Merlin aircraft engines at a separate facility played a crucial role in the Allies' victory during the Second World War, as the location was ideal with a good supply of skilled laborers and well-connected transportation facilities. Even though the manufacturing plant produced some of the best luxury cars, the Crewe plant as we know it today was modernized by Volkswagen in 1998 after it acquired Bentley. Before Volkswagen took over Bentley in 1998, just 38,933 cars were built at the Crewe plant. It was only after the introduction of modern luxury cars like the Bentley Continental GT that sales and production took off. Bentley will soon open a new test center and R&D unit at the Crewe plant to aid in the development of Bentley's future electric models. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings